How to connect Apple TV to Wi-Fi without having a physical remote with you step by step in this video. So follow till the end. Step 1 is connect iPhone to same Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is on the same Wi-Fi network your Apple TV was previously connected to. If your Apple TV has never been connected to Wi-Fi, skip to option 2. Step 2 is use Control Center remote. On iPhone, swipe down to open Control Center, tap the Apple TV remote icon. If it does not show, go to the setting, Control Center, add Apple TV remote. Now control your Apple TV. Your device should be automatically detect your Apple TV. Use touchpad in the app to navigate and connect to your Apple TV. Now option 2 is use a Bluetooth keyboard if no Wi-Fi connection. Step 1 is plug in the Apple TV, connect your Apple TV to power and HDMI on your TV. Turn it on, then pair the Bluetooth keyboard. Turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and put it in pairing mode. The Apple TV should detect it automatically and connect to it. After that, use the keyboard arrows and enter to navigate the setup. Then step 3 will be connect to Wi-Fi. Use the keyboard to type in your Wi-Fi network named password. Once connected, you can finish setup or use phone as remote. Option 3 is use Ethernet cable temporarily. This is for if you don't have even Wi-Fi or any other application. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.